Also heard this about 3 or 4 years ago. That's about it, but I heard from the guide that the energy in the spine cannot be stored alone, so the wings act as a storage tank. In short, the energy in the spine is so great that it looks like a feather. So, if you look at it from the other side, higher dimensional beings have very strong backbones. This means that people who are sick can be said to have extremely weak spines. Angels are cute and flying. It's cute, but in a sense, it's a charge of energy, and it's like moving a nuclear power plant, so people who have that much energy in their spine will reach a higher level and have power. I would like you to think of it like a weak person becoming slightly unwell. That's why our idea is that yoga that moves the spine is best. I've been running a yoga studio since before I heard about that, but a guide told me to do yoga 10 or 11 years ago, and I hated it, but when I went to Vietnam, I was woken up at 5:30 in the morning. So I went to Kendum to get my international yoga license and practiced yoga until 10 p.m. The three of us, Matsunaga and Asami, do this almost every day. I was the one who was trying to escape from there, but I couldn't, and it was so rural that a group of 80 people were imprisoned and doing yoga. When I asked them later, they told me how amazing yoga was. I understand, so it's said that yoga has been around for 5,000 years, and I think it's here to stay. When I explored this, I found that there was one thing that moved the spine the most, including breathing and meditation. In some ways, breathing is used to circulate energy in the spine. It all comes together in meditation.